Hey guys, so for today's episode, we have Burgos Dipping Q50. This thing is super pristine, and we're gonna be doing a chrome delete.
Yep.
Yeah, stay tuned. Nick!
What's up, man?
What all is happening to this car today?
So we are doing a chrome delete here.
Okay.
The window trim, the door handles, fog lights, and the front grille.
Fog lights and the front grille. Cool, man. That's beautiful. Super clean. Crazy. And these wheels. We're not touching the wheels, but all the chrome. Cool. So we will show you guys when it's finished. So that is a chrome delete on a Q50 with VHR vinyls. And if you made it this far, you like the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. Make sure that you're getting in contact with Nick, myself, or Ryan if you want your chrome delete, because you know you don't want that on your car. So now, I'm gonna go ahead, take some pans of the car, and we will catch you guys next time. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Dude. That is beautiful. Wow, like better than it was before. Check this out. All blacked out. Yo. And then got this trim. And the door handles. Yeah. No more chrome for them. Oh, one last one. Right there. Yo, that is a transformation, man. Yo, that is beautiful. Awesome work, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Woo!
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, share the video.